Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you step how to install a powerful solar system using two 10kV connected in parallel, 48 units of 600 watts of Deye lithium batteries. We'll cover wiring, communication, configuration, and even how to monitor your system remotely via Wi-Fi. Let's get started. This system includes Deye hybrid inverters, Longi bifacial panels, and Deye lithium for capacity expansion. This is a full solar system layout. Panels. Start with the batteries. Connect all 8 units using cables. Ensure correct addressing. Secure DC connections. These form a 40 kilowatt bank. Now, connect the two Deye inverters in parallel. Set master and slave configuration. Connect outputs to a distribution board. They now function as one system. Next, wire the 48 solar panels. Divide them into strings based on inverter voltage. Series increases voltage. Ensure all strings are balanced and within MPPT limits. Now connect the solar input. Connect battery cables to the inverter. Connect AC outputs to the distribution board. Install DC isolators and breakers. Add surge protection devices. Safety is critical. Power on the system and configure. Set battery type to lithium. Set capacity to 40 kilowatts. Enable parallel mode. Set output priority to load first. Sync both inverters. To enable remote monitoring, plug in the Wi-Fi dongle. Download the monitoring app. Connect inverter to Wi-Fi network. Register your system. Monitor in real time. Monitor performance from anywhere. Test the system by powering loads. Check output voltage. Check battery status. Check solar input. Everything should run smoothly. Parallel installation of two Deye 48 Longi panels. 48 Longi panels. 8 Deye lithium batteries. Setup is complete. We covered wiring and communication, configuration and monitoring. Let's get started. Two parallel inverters act as one. 48 panels give 28 kilowatts. 8 batteries give 40 kilowatts. We begin with the battery installation. Place them in a cool, dry location. Connect the manufacturer's communication cables. Assign correct master and slave addresses as a unified storage system. Next is the Deye inverter parallel connection. Mount both securely, ensuring adequate spacing. Connect panels in series to achieve the required voltage. After that, proceed with the DC and AC wiring. Connect the strings to the inverter's terminals. Install DC isolators and surge protection devices. Now we will set up remote monitoring. Insert the dongle into the port. Connect it to your local network. You can monitor everything in real time. Verify that the system is correct. Confirm both function as a single unit. And that's how to install and configure two Deye inverters in parallel with a high-capacity system. Also ensure you use the right cables and breakers. Use proper surge suspension devices. And that's how you install a system. Parallel inverters, and batteries. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave a comment if you want more.